Stop scrolling. Here's the cleanest intro and frame style tutorial you'll learn today. Tutorial on this intro and frame style. First follow for pro editing tutorials. Then get your clips and audio ready and click second clip. Then duplicate it and also put it down this using overlay and drag it above the yellow mark. Same process to next clip. Next, click this overlay and go to mask. Then select mirror. Arrange it and make sure it is divisible by 4 and it depends based on the beat. After that, duplicate this clip and arrange the mask like this. Next, add 2 keyframes on each clip. And the first keyframe drag to right, then the second move it to left. Do the same process by the way. After that, add cubic out graphs to each clip and repeat this process to next overlay clip. Next, add 2 keyframes on each main clip and zoom in this end keyframe automatically, then add flow 2 graphs. Next steps, add animation and search turbulence, then set to 0.5 seconds. After that, add red overlay clip to each clip and split it to 0.2 seconds. Go splice and set to 50%, then use fade out animation. And also duplicate this red overlay, then drag this to next clip. After that, add some filter and go adjust, then select saturation to -50 and add 2 keyframes. Then first keyframe adjust to normal saturation and duplicate this filter, drag to next clip. After that, add play pendulum effects and set this to all videos and adjust this adjustment to all 0 except to intensity 5, speed 100. Next, add tremor strobe effects and set to all videos and adjust this adjustment to intensity 40, atmosphere 20, glow 5 and speed 5. And the last part, add white overlay clip, go to mask and select rectangle and arrange it like this. After arranging, click this to invert the mask like this. After that, split this white overlay to each yellow mark and add fade out animation to all white overlay and set to full adjustment. After that, go back to white overlay and set this each layers to first and do the same process by the way. And you'll get this smooth cinematic result. Like this video and repost this if helped.